kids. Okay, today we have some interesting pictures for kids. Chickens, a chicken coop, and a natural atmosphere. What the picture, kids?
These are hens and roosters.
What color are the chickens?
They are brown and orange.
What color is the leaf?
The color of the leaves is green.
What color is the chicken coop?
The roof is green. Then the walls are made of yellow and brown wood. Is really good. I really like it.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, that's right. I like seeing it too. Do you also like eating fried chicken?
Yeah, I really like fried chicken. It tastes delicious with a sweet and spicy sauce.